Love the 2019 A-Class. The Mercedes-Benz A-Class is a premium hatchback that offers one of the best suite of technology features in a vehicle. The vehicle also has a high-quality interior that looks as good as it feels and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, low tire pressure warning, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.